Hey, buenos dias, que onda, que paso amigos, John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a quick walk around of this Kawasaki Vulcan S650. If you're a fan of this bike, then check out some of the other videos I've done. I've done a handful. I've done videos about what I love about it, what I hate about it, and everything in between. I've even done a few wheelies on this motorcycle, believe it or not. Anyway, it's a 2017 650S parallel twin, and this is like a hybrid between a cruiser and a sport bike, to be honest. One of the most controversial points on this motorcycle are the looks, the style. Some people love it, some people hate it. I used to hate it, and then it honestly has grown on me. I like it a lot more now that I've ridden the bike, because this bike is a complete blast to ride. It's just a ton of fun. It's not over powerful. It's a perfect beginner bike. My wife, in fact, of all the bikes she rode, this is probably the easiest and most comfortable for her. I mean, it really is just an awesome motorcycle. You've got around 40 foot-pounds of torque, 70 horsepower, I forget exactly. It's a chain drive, and dang it, I believe it's a 6-speed. Fuel injected, of course. You can get these from the factory with ergo fit, so if you want forward controls mid or mid forwards, you can do that. You can set up the bars to your liking. Stock seat is not the most comfortable, but you know, gets the job done. These things, being a parallel twin, they're higher revving engines, so you're cruising, you know, 7,000 RPMs, probably closer to 6. But they are capable of jumping on the freeway, and if you're to throw on a windshield and everything, I personally don't think this would be the worst bike for, you know, somewhat of a long cruise. You know, day trip up north, a couple hours on the saddle. I think some of the biggest selling points on this motorcycle: lightweight, very nimble, and the handling is just like spot on. And then I'll also add, for beginners, just a super good beginner bike, relatively inexpensive as well. Some of the big complaints: stock seat, the sound, you know, runs at higher RPMs, all very, you know, nitpicky things for sure. And just some people do not like the way it looks. These things are cool because you can get them for, you know, $4,000 to $5,000 on the used market with relatively low miles. And then again, whether you're a brand new rider or you've got some years under your belt, it is just overall a lot of fun and a very manageable motorcycle. So if you don't like your traditional cruiser, but you want something more comfortable than a sport bike or a, you know, street fighter, then this is definitely one that'll possibly check those boxes. And yeah, I really just can't speak enough to just how fun the motorcycle is. Go ahead and fire it up. A lot of people complain about the stock exhaust. It is very quiet for sure. You know, you don't get that deep rumble that a lot of people like. It's not the V-twin, of course. It's almost got more of a whine to it, you know. These are liquid cooled, of course. But anyway, I like them, man. Fun bike. Check out some of the other videos I've done of the Vulcan S650 here. Like and subscribe to dig the content. If you're new, then thanks for rolling by. Feel free to check out my, you know, my playlist and some of the other videos I've done. That's all we do here is just mess around on motorcycles. So if you dig motorcycles, there may be something that you dig on the channel. There you have it, the 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan S650. This one happens to have ABS, only about 5,000 miles or so. Really nice motorcycle. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Adios. Hasta luego. Los vemos.